Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to insert AutoText in Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word on your desktop. Next, type the text you want to save as AutoText. Select the text. Then go to the Insert tab. Click Quick Parts. Select AutoText. Click Save Selection to AutoText Gallery. Give it a name and click OK. You can now insert it anytime from Quick Parts. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.